Now a lot of you don't know how to use Google Trends. So click it, Google Trends. Then click Explore. I think my network is a little bit slow. Click Explore. So let's explore. So you can click trending now to see what's trending now, but that's not what we are here for. So back to our fish business. I think I need to try this fish business. Maybe it's the Lord that is telling me something. Okay, so the first search term, buy fish now. Enter. Your search doesn't have enough data. Your search doesn't have enough data. Okay, let me change it. Let's say buy fish. Quite Ibom people. Quite Ibom, 100%. That was nice. Okay, so now this is actually a very great tool. It's not just for keywords and all. So you see that around February 2024, on the 25th, people were like, buy fish, buy fish, buy fish. I don't know what happened. So this is 25th of February to 2nd of March. People were just interested in buying fish. Buy fish, buy fish, buy fish. But you see that from that March to okay, from okay, from 3rd of March to 16th, people were like, oh, every time fish, 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 let fish rest. Let's try eggs and some other things. Then boom again, March 17th, fish, buy fish, buy fish, buy fish. Till 30th of March, everybody like, whoa, all this fish, fish, fish every time, let fish rest. So can you see, you'll be able to get a lot of information from this. Let's now see ending. Let's see ending of the year. Can you see? 8 to 14, boom, fish. I want to buy fish. No, buy fish. So that means people are searching for things that have that keyword buy fish in them. So it could be, I want to buy fish now. Where can I buy fish? That's that buy fish. Then can you see from that 15th, people are like fish, fish, fish. This is the time that chicken will be raining. Now let me, I don't know, but let me try buy chicken, because chicken is always raining. Buy chicken. Chicken is always raining. That's the thing about chicken. Everybody likes chicken all year round. Okay, so like, you see, what did I say? What did I say? By 15th of December, chicken. So chicken is the red. Can you see? Buy chicken is red, buy fish is blue. Chicken became the master, the oga. Even fish had to step aside for chicken. So can you see? Everybody wants to buy chicken, buy chicken. Can you see that even before? And by the way, I had not even checked this thing before. So can you see? This is just my first time checking this thing, but based on like the normal. See, everybody's like buy fish, buy chicken, buy chicken, buy chicken. Then around 5th, everybody's like, oh, let chicken rest. Let me try eggs or something like that. Then on the 12th, Boom, everybody is interested in fish again on the 19th rather. Let's go back to our fish. We've eaten a lot of chicken. So you can tell that, excuse me, I think I just belched. Yeah, I just belched. If you are writing an article or you want to sell something, this is actually even marketing idea. If you want to buy something or if you want to go into a market, you can just come here to check. Then you'll be able to know the right time to go into the right market. But that's not why we are here. Do you know why we are here? So at the ending, for bloggers too, at the ending of the year, you know that to write about chicken, in fact, it is a more profitable blog post compared to writing about fish. Then beginning of the year, everybody will now go back to fish and say sorry. We are sorry we maltreated you like that. We are sorry we abandoned you. We love you. Why is it that what's happening on the 7th of July? You see that during May, both buy chicken and buy fish, they are competing. So you can also come here to see that Akwa Ibom people fish 100% fish. They are not playing with fish. Buy fish 100%. So let's now say based on buy chicken. Ondo people chicken, that's it. So when you want to write, you can factor all of this in. You're the one that want to write the article, so you know what you want to write. So you see that Delta people chicken, they don't really buy fish like that. It's not really something for them. But Akwa Ibom people 100% fish. So you can come here to see it. Edo buy chicken more. Oyo buy chicken more. But by the time you reach here, you see, buy chicken but buy fish more. By the time you reach here like this, buy fish. So this is a good way to check for keywords. And you can come here and say, okay, I don't just want for Nigeria. I want for the United States of America. So let it load. You can also say time. Ooh, that's nice. Wow. You see, that's the thing about Nigerians. Nigerians like to do too much. You see, our own was doing like this. By the time we get tired of fish, we go back to chicken. By the time we get tired, why these ones are balancing it? Nice. This says a lot though. It's not just about keywords now. It says a lot. Okay, let's go back to the normal topic. So can you see buy fish, buy chicken? So you can check for any keyword that you want. Digital marketing, anything, and you can check based on is it past 30 days, past 5 years, past 90 days, anyhow you want to check it.